Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is actually going to be an unboxing video. Yes, I worked with Jeulia in the past, Jeulia Jewelries, and I'm working with them again, guys. Y'all know I got the hater blocker ring. Okay. I got that last time, and I have another premium artisan jewelry piece in here. So this is what the box looks like when you first get the box. And shipping takes maybe like 3 to 5 days, so it's not long at all. And they have the perfect holiday gift. So if you're looking for the perfect holiday gift for someone on your list that likes jewelry, definitely check them out, and this will not break the bank. I'll leave all the information below. And the cool thing is this is a giveaway, y'all, so you have an opportunity to win a holiday piece of your own. So stay tuned to the end, that way you can enter my giveaway. But the first thing is opening the box. So when you open the box, it basically lets you know how to take care of your jewelry and let you know that if you take off this, like they have this safety sticker or something like that, once you take that off, you cannot refund it. But if you have the safety sticker on and they know that the product was not used, you have a refund. You can get a refund if you would like. So they do have that refund policy, which is really nice. A little booklet to let you know all the jewelry that they offer, because they have rings, necklaces, y'all, earrings, engagement rings, the mermaid collection. They have so much to choose from, like so much to choose from. Again, the link is below for them. And this is a nice little bag if you want to make your present a gift. I thought this was really cute. You just put it in here, easy peasy. So they're good to go for the holidays. Now this is what I got. It's in here. I am super excited. And these boxes, I really like the boxes too. They look so expensive. Oh my goodness. But this is what I got. Y'all ain't ready to see her. Look, guys. Oh, it's so cute. I already took it out and I was putting it back in, but it is a snowflake necklace. It is super cute. This is going to be perfect for the winter time, and I got it for myself because I wanted this piece. It's going to look so cute. I'm about to put it on now, and I love how the necklace, it does give me some room, because I don't like feeling choked. I don't like chokers, and I don't like being choked. So yeah, getting a necklace that's a little bit long was what I was looking for, and this is sterling silver. Of course, the diamonds they use are Jeulia's diamonds. For the diamonds, just so you guys know. But the piece is just super cute. Look at it. Oh my goodness. I made mine a little bit shorter instead of using, you know, the longer part, so I have some dangling in the back there. But look at that. Say that necklace is not gorgeous. So yeah, guys, if you like this piece, definitely make sure you check it out. Oh my goodness, it just looks so beautiful. Like, I need to do my thumbnail with this piece. Like, I think I really need to redo my thumbnail. I had a different one in mind, but I just might go like this. Thumbnail. Now on to the giveaway. Are you ready? Yes, so they have a holiday catalog you guys get to choose from. I'll leave the holiday catalog below, okay? And the rules are simple. Just follow Jeulia on Instagram. I'll leave their Instagram below. Also, you have to be a subscriber to my channel, of course, because this is for my subscribers. So subscribe to the channel. Make sure you let me know what item you want from the catalog below. So you have to actually look at the catalog and let me know which item you want. Leave your contact information, how we can get in contact with you, so Jeulia can send you out your gift, because that's very important. Because if we don't know how to get in contact with you, how you gonna get your gift? Okay, so you have to let me know that in the comments below, and definitely a little like, you know, for the video. Can we get a little like? Can we get a little like? Yeah, so definitely make sure you like the video. So that's it, guys. The rules are very simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I like Jeulia's. This is my second piece from them, and the prices are very reasonable. So if you ain't balling and can spend thousands and thousands of dollars on jewelry, you can get you some jewelry that's really cute, that's not gonna make your hands turn green, not make your ears turn green, and definitely not make your neck turn green, because it's real sterling silver. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.